To get a new PIN from Lloyds Bank, start by gathering the necessary information and materials, including your debit or credit card and a phone. If you have forgotten your PIN, you can reset it at a Lloyds Bank ATM by selecting the PIN Services option and following the on-screen instructions. Alternatively, you can contact the Lloyds Bank customer service team to request a new PIN. You can do this by calling the number on the back of your card or by visiting the Lloyds Bank website to find the relevant contact details. When you call, you will be asked to provide some security information to verify your identity, such as your name, address, and date of birth. Once your identity has been confirmed, the customer service team will guide you through the process of resetting your PIN. You can also visit a Lloyds Bank branch in person to request a new PIN. You will need to take some form of identification with you, such as a passport or driving license, and a member of staff will be able to assist you with the process. In all cases, your new PIN will be sent to you by post, and you should receive it within a few days. It is essential to keep your PIN safe and secure to prevent unauthorized access to your account. Best practice is to choose a PIN that is unique and not easily guessable, such as a combination of letters and numbers, and to avoid using the same PIN for multiple accounts. By following these steps and taking the necessary precautions, you can get a new PIN from Lloyds Bank quickly and easily, and help to protect your account from fraud. Remember to always keep your PIN confidential and to be cautious when using ATMs or making transactions online, as your PIN is a vital part of keeping your account secure. If you have any further questions or concerns about getting a new PIN, you can contact the Lloyds Bank customer service team for assistance.